Going now to the sixth sub question, we have half x square minus 3x plus 4. Now what we do here is we take this half common out. Although half is there only for this term, we take half common out and then proceed with the sum. Now if I take half common out, okay, this will be x square. Now what happens to this term and this term? I will have to double it because half was not there in this, but I have written half out. So I have to double it. Now when I double 3, what happens to it? It becomes 6. So this becomes minus 6x. Now this is plus 4. If I double it, what happens? It becomes plus 8. Now those who have not understood here why I have doubled it, let us just see whether the equality is retained of the trinomial they gave us. See here, half into x square is half x square. Half into minus 6x. 2 goes in 6 3 times. So 1 into minus 3x is minus 3x itself. Half into plus 8. 2 goes in plus 8 4 times. So that is plus 4. So this is right what I have done. Now my trinomial has become x square minus 6x plus 8. So now we have to factorize only this, that is find the factors of this. So what we do, we write this half in all the steps outside and then in the bracket we write the first term as it is, then the last term as it is. Now the middle term here is minus 6x. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 6. So the sum will be minus 6. What will be the product? Coefficient of x square here, which is 1, and we multiply it with the constant, that is 8. So 1 into 8. So I write here 1 into 8, which is 8. So I have got what is the sum and what is the product. Now you see here, the product 8 can be got with the numbers 4 and 2. Now the product sign here is plus. If the product sign is plus, either both can be plus or both can be minus. Now if it is plus 4 plus 2, will it be minus 6? No, it cannot be minus. But if it is minus 4 and minus 2, can it be minus 6 when we add them together? Yes. So I can put the signs here, minus 4 and minus 2. Why isn't it 1 plus and 1 minus? 1 plus and 1 minus happens only when the product is minus. That is why we should have both plus or both minus. Both plus cannot be possible because the sum is minus. So both should be minus. That means now I can write minus 6x as minus 4x minus 2x. So I write here minus 4x minus 2x. And now I close this bracket. I said we write half outside in all the steps. Now what is the next step? To see what is common in this. So in these two terms, so we say x is common. So I write x and now put a small bracket because already a bigger bracket is outside. Now in these two, I see x is common. X into x will be x square. So I write here x. Then I have the minus term. From this x is already out. So I have 4 here. So I close this bracket. Minus 4 into x minus 4x. Now in these two terms, minus 2x plus 8. 2 is common in both. 2 goes in 2, 2 goes in 8. So I can write here minus 2 common out. Why do I write minus 2? Because I want plus x inside the bracket. If I write plus 2 here, I get minus x inside the bracket. And see here, I want this term, this x minus 4 to be common in both. So that is why I take minus 2 common out. Now in the bracket I have here x. Now see, minus 2 into x is minus 2x. If I wrote plus 2 here, it would be minus x here. Plus 2 into minus x would be minus 2x. But I would have minus here, and here it would be plus. Always we want these two to be the same. That's why we take minus 2 out. So we have x here. Now here plus 8. 2 goes in 8 4 times. Okay, so we write 4. Now what should be the sign here? Will it be minus or it will be plus? When this is looking as plus, we think we should write plus. But plus into minus will be minus. And here the sign is plus. So I need to put minus. Now if I do minus 2 into minus 4, minus into minus is plus, 2 into 4 is 8. So I close the bracket and now close the bigger bracket too. Now this becomes half. Now we see here there is one term, here there is one term. What is in the brackets here? X minus 4 and x minus 4. So that is common. So I can write here now x minus 4 common out. What is outside the brackets? X minus 2. Right? Now I can see three factors of this trinomial half x square minus 3x plus 4. What are the three factors? Half, x minus 4 and x minus 2. Once we write as factors, this extra bigger bracket is not required. So we can directly write this as half into x minus 4 into x minus 2.